Hi, I'm Kate.
I'm Olivia.
And I'm Maisie. We're Girl Scout cadets and members of 1st Robotics Team 6352.
Today we're going to help you earn your Daisy Robotics badges.
Your first badge is going to be learning about what robots can do. Step 1 is to learn about robots. So what is a robot? They're all robots. Not all robots look the same. A robot is any machine that follows instructions to complete a task.
Next, you have to team up with a partner to design a robot. Make sure your robot has a brain, body, and sensors. Think about what problem you want your robot to solve. Does it want to clean your dishes for you? Do you want it to pick up trash around your neighborhood? Let's see an example.
What should our robot do?
How about it washes the dishes?
Okay. You do the next part.
I want it to have arms so that way it can hold stuff.
With its eyes it can see, so it's very careful. It should also have legs so it can move around and to reach all the dishes.
And we can't forget that our robot needs a body. This is where all its buttons are going to be, so we know.
And can tell it what to do. You think our robot's done, or does it? Oh wait, I have an idea. Let's add sponges so that it can clean really well.
And I think it should have sensors at the top just to give it some extra carefulness.
All right, sounds good. So our robot has a brain. Here's its body. And it's got sensors. Are we done?
I think so.
All right, that's what you're gonna do. Step 2, now that you've designed a robot, is to figure out how robots move. You have to give robots very careful instructions so they do exactly what you want. Let's show you an example with Oreos. So in this example, she's gonna be the robot and I'm gonna be the human. And we're gonna talk about how you have to give very specific instructions to a robot if you want them to do what you want. So today, my goal is to have the robot take 2 Oreos and put them together so there's a lot of cream on the inside, because everybody knows that's the best way to eat an Oreo. All right, robot, let's look at it. So the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to take one of the Oreos and I want you to break it in half. No! All right, let's try this again. I want you to take one of the Oreos and I want you to take one of the cookies off very carefully in order to not rip the white filling. Yeah! Okay, now that you've gotten one of them, you're gonna try the same thing where you're gonna take one side cookie off very carefully here. You got it. Yay! Okay, now you're gonna put the 2 halves, or the 2 cookies with filling, no, the cookies with filling together. No. Okay, oh, I have to be more specific. Okay, you're gonna put the 2 halves of the 2 cookies with filling side together. Yeah! Okay, so clearly robots need a lot of direction, otherwise they mess things up. But they are, once they learn things, more efficient than humans, and this robot can probably make these Oreos faster than a human could. So I guess it's worth it. You just have to be very specific. Step number 2 is learning about programming robots. When robots move, you have to be really specific with their instructions, just like we did in our Oreo experiment. So, Maisie the robot is trying to give me that wheel, that part, without bumping into any of the roadblocks or kind of having to leave the grid. So, let's start with Maisie go left. Wait, Maisie stop. I just said go left and that wasn't specific enough. So she just kept going left and going left when I only wanted her to move 1 block. So let's start over. Maisie go left 1 block. Okay. Maisie go left 1 more block. Maisie move forward 2 blocks. Oh wait, no. Maisie got stuck on a roadblock. Maisie go back 1 block. There you go. Maisie go right 1 block. Go forward 4 blocks. 2, 3, 4. She went past me, okay. Maisie, go left 1 block. Maisie, spin around. Only once, Maisie, stop. Maisie, spin around once. Macy, give me the part. Yay!
So create a course like we did, or just give your friends instructions to try and get them to give something to you. Give it a try.
We hope you've enjoyed earning your Daisy Robotics badges.
To complete this badge, you should have followed along with our videos, learned about what robots are, how to program a robot, how they move, and designed your very own robot to solve a problem. We hope you've enjoyed.